If I could go back and tell my 20-year-old self, it would be this: no one is coming to save you. Stop waiting for anyone to come out of yourself to come and save you. No one cares. Everyone is getting their shit together. Everyone is focusing on themselves. You have to get up and save yourself. Manifestation is not an Instagram aesthetic word or term or thing. It's a hardcore inner work. If your manifestation are not working, then you have to look inside. What is holding you back? That fears, beliefs, old conditionings and patterns, those are holding you back, because what goes inside is your outer reality. If you feel like love, then you will get love outside. If you feel like abundance, then you will get that abundance and prosperity outside. If you don't feel like any of it, if fears are holding you back, then that's what is your manifestation is holding back. It's hardcore working on your mindset and changing your reality by changing your inner world. They said that in 30s you get old, and honestly 30s have never looked better on me. If you want younger looking skin, then you have to start your skincare at 20s, not at your 30s. The more you take care of your skin by not just putting what you are putting outside, but eating, sleeping right, working out, eating the right things and taking the right supplements, then definitely you will have the younger looking skin. So start your skincare at 20. Start dressing up for yourself, even at home, even when no one is looking at you, because that's how you send the message to universe that you're ready for abundance. That's how you increase your self-respect and self-confidence. You should always be ready for something amazing to come. Dressing well not only gives your brain a signal that you are ready to start your day with amazing, fresh, abundant, positive mindset, because you are sending the signal to universe that I'm already ready for abundance. I'm already dressed for becoming the woman of my dreams. Also a signal to your brain that this is the person who loves herself. You want to give that signal to yourself first. Start investing money instead of just trusting it on your bank account or your savings or cash or your boxes. Just collecting money and putting it on aside, cash or something, it's not going to grow it. Investment will definitely help you to grow it. Investment is the fastest and the safest way to grow it. I'm not saying it's very fast. It can take years and years to generate, but always invest in a good mutual fund or somewhere instead of just putting your money in cash bundles, rolling it inside your wardrobe or somewhere. That's not how you grow money. Investment will bring you more money than ever before. Do your research well and then only invest. But this is what I needed to hear when I was in my 20s, that I got to learn in my 30s. I hope this helped you guys. I will see you in the next.